These 5 passive income ideas could literally make you over $100,000 per month and give you the option to not work another day in your life. Seriously, it really all depends on the amount of time and effort you're willing to put in and having the right information. If you've been struggling to make passive income, I hope this video is a turning point for you. Make sure to stick around until the end because I'll also be sharing the best method that could almost guarantee your success to go from 0 to 7 figures and beyond. So let's get straight into it. The first idea is selling physical or digital products. There are tons of YouTube gurus out there telling people to sell products on Amazon and Shopify, or to create and sell an online course or an app. Those are good ideas, don't get me wrong, but most of them aren't sharing this crucial point on how to go about doing this the right way. There are thousands of online courses teaching people how to source or create a product and list it online, but only a few can turn a significant profit. Why is this? It's because they're solely counting on paid advertising to get new customers, which can become very costly. Trust me, when everyone is selling the same product and they're competing to be on the first page of Amazon, or they're paying to get eyeballs on their Shopify or digital products, it's bound to become a sinking ship. These businesses are missing this one major piece that allows them to stand out from the crowd: a brand. And no, I'm not talking about just adding a name and logo. I'm talking about having a group of people who are raving fans, trust what your company believes in, and are ready to buy from you. Take the company Live Infinitely as an example. The founder of the company, Alicia Reynoso, explains growing an engaged audience in a Facebook group, scaling this company to over 6 figures a month, and selling her company for $10 million. And guess what she sold? Water bottles. And this was all because she created a strong brand that emphasizes the importance of staying healthy and hydrated. Her followers loved her mission, and the rest was history. If you're able to build a following on social media or have influencers talk about your product, spread brand awareness of your company's values, treat each customer like gold, and not just focus on what product to sell, there's no doubt in my mind that your physical or digital product business can have similar results. So if the thought of creating and selling products makes you nervous, you're not alone. The second passive income idea allows you to get paid a commission for promoting other people's products and services, also known as affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketers make money when someone uses the referral link to make a purchase. There are typically little to no startup costs, which is why this business model is so popular among new entrepreneurs. The best way to approach affiliate marketing is to become an expert or authority in a specific niche that you're passionate about or interested in. Building an audience either through YouTube, a podcast, a blog, or other social media platforms, and promoting high-ticket products and services. To give you some reference, digital products can range from $22 to $4,000 or more. And because these types of products only need to be created once and are typically low cost to make, many companies are generally willing to pay affiliates 50% of the sales price, which means if you're promoting a $2,000 product and one person makes a purchase through your affiliate link, that's already $1,000 for the day. And if multiple people buy, yeah, you can see how fast that can start to add up. The hardest part of creating an affiliate marketing income stream, and why so many people give up before the magic happens, is that it's usually slow in the beginning and it does take time to build an audience that trusts and likes your content. But if you're consistently adding value, creating quality content, and have a long-term vision, it'll just be a matter of time before you start making some life-changing money. The third passive income idea is investing in real estate. Now, I know real estate investing is known to take tons of money to start, but I'll let you in on a secret. You don't actually need to have the money. All you really need is knowledge, confidence, and hustle. If you can show other people that you're knowledgeable about real estate investing, ready to hustle, and you know how to analyze and choose great deals, I kid you not, people will start throwing money at you and ask you to invest with them. Another way to go about this is finding a mentor that can take you under his or her wing and transact deals with them. Real estate investing is probably one of my most favorite ways to make passive income because of these 4 things. First is leverage, meaning you don't need to have $1 million to buy $1 million property. And you can instead borrow most, if not all of that money from a bank or private lender. Second is appreciation potential, meaning it has potential to increase in value over time and build you equity. Third is tax advantages, such as using depreciation to help you pay less taxes on your rental income. And the fourth is it's spitting out rental income for you every month. Is it just me, or does that sound like the perfect package? Although these factors make real estate investing attractive, there could be more risks involved and more ongoing maintenance compared to other types of investments. But if you have a great property management team in place, those tenants and toilets shouldn't be huge issues to deal with. To give you some real numbers, real estate investments can make you a 12% return or more on your investment, and if you're able to put $1 million deal together, you're talking about making $10,000 per month in passive income. The sky is really the limit here, and if you're able to put a $10 million deal together, you're talking about making $100,000 per month in passive income just from a single deal. You can start looking at properties on sites like Redfin and Zillow for residential deals and Crexi and LoopNet for commercial deals. If you have an itch for real estate, I highly recommend you to dive in and see where this can take you. So if you've gotten this far and you're thinking that the previous 3 ideas sound really challenging, don't worry. There are simpler ways to make passive income. If you have some money available to invest, or you've made some significant money through the first 3 ideas I shared, the remaining passive income ideas are great ways to grow your money and make you an extra several $1,000s a month. So the 4th idea is investing in dividend stocks. When you're investing in stocks, you're basically investing and owning a piece of a company, and as a reward, certain companies will pay out some of their earnings in the form of dividends to their stock owners. If your goal is to create a continuous stream of income without having to constantly buy and sell stocks to make money, investing in dividend stocks can be a great option. Most companies that offer dividends pay their shareholders on average between 2 and 5% of the stock price, which means if you invested $1,000 of a certain stock and has a 5% dividend yield, you can make $50 just by holding this stock. Now, I know $50 isn't life-changing money, but if you have, let's say, $240,000 worth of dividend stocks, suddenly that teeny weeny 5% payout could make you an extra $1,000 per month, literally just from holding these stocks and doing nothing else. You can see how much more powerful dividend stocks can be when you have a large sum of money to invest. It would be a smart decision to invest some of the money you've made from ideas 1, 2, and 3 of this video and make more passive income through dividend stocks. But if 2 to 5% returns aren't good enough, there's always the option to diversify and invest in growth stocks as well. Although these stocks do generally increase more in value, most growth stocks would not provide you an actual stream of income, and you'd have to sell them in order to actually have cash. Regardless of your preference, investing in the stock market is a great way to grow your money. If you're interested in creating this type of passive income today, you can get a head start and get some free stocks by signing up with Webull using the link in the description. If all the previous ideas are just not your cup of tea and you're looking for an even more secure and easier way to create passive income, the 5th idea is investing in treasury bills or putting your money in a high-yield savings account. When you're investing in treasury bills, you're basically lending money to the government for a fixed period of time, and in return, they'll be paying you back your money plus a discount, which is the money you'll actually be making at the end of the term. Now, full disclosure, treasury bills do tend to provide returns lower than other types of investments, but they do have their own advantages. These types of investments have almost zero risk since they're backed by the US government. You don't need to pay state or local income tax on the money you make, so it would be even more beneficial if you're living in an area with high state and local taxes like California. And this type of investment is liquid as well, meaning you can easily sell these treasury bills before the actual maturity date. If you want to play it safe and have the flexibility to convert your investment to cash quickly, treasury bills can be a great option. The minimum amount to purchase treasury bills is $100, and you can purchase them directly from the government through treasurydirect.gov or from an exchange like Vanguard and TD Ameritrade. I'll leave links in the description for those of you who are interested to learn more about how treasury bills work and where you can purchase them. And if you don't want to deal with treasury bills and it's not something you feel entirely comfortable with, you can always open a high-yield savings account with SoFi. If your money is just sitting in a normal savings account with less than 1% interest, you're literally losing money, and there's no reason why anyone watching this video shouldn't have either treasury bills or a high-interest savings account to start making some passive income. So here are my final thoughts for those of you who actually want to make life-changing passive income within the next year. The best method that'll give you the highest chance of success is to pick one of the ideas that excites you the most from ideas 1, 2, and 3 and go all in on it and grow that income stream until you hit 5 to 6 figures a month, and then pour all that money you've made into ideas 3, 4, and 5. If you do this, the income streams you create will almost be an unstoppable force that could impact and change the next several generations of your family. And remember, the biggest risk in life is never taking a risk. So go for it, have fun, and I can't wait to hear your success stories. If you found this video valuable and you're interested in learning more about personal finance, business, and investing, make sure to subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you in the next video.